Want to learn how to sell and to install batteries? Batteries are the most important growth segment in PV. Join our all-in-one event and get the information you need all in a single afternoon. Krannich Battery Day 2022. Melbourne, Friday 30th of September 2022. The event will feature in-house expo from our suppliers, CPD point trainings, EV car and chargers, exclusive on the day battery pricing, amazing giveaways, industry networking, and food trucks. Click the link below to secure your place and go in the draw for the amazing prizes.